First of all, I actually was on the subcommittee that helped bring the film credit to Georgia in 2008. We'd had versions of it before, but the real film credit that we're talking about today came about in 2008, and I was proud to be one of the members of the Ways and Means subcommittee that worked on that tax credit, and I was a very strong supporter and have been ever since. I've talked to those folks, those studio heads, those leaders of that industry, and I will tell you that more than anything, what they are worried about is whether we allow RFRA to come back to the state of Georgia as a debate. The Religious Freedom Restoration Act, that language, whether it's from 93 or 2015 or 2016, is dangerous, and it will kill the film industry faster than anything else.
You really believe that? You believe RFRA is a death knell for
I know it. I've had conversations with the heads of multiple studios, and they have said, this is terrible. They plan these films 18 to 24 months out, and if we doubt that there is a possibility that there's going to be a reaction, look at what happened in North Carolina. Look at what happened in Indiana. Look what's happening in Mississippi. Businesses leave when discrimination returns, and RFRA is a discriminatory law. My opponent is trying to cast it as, oh, we're just doing what we did in 1993. But the problem is this isn't
on the federal side.
On the federal side. But here's the thing. This isn't 1993, and we know that today's conversation is not a conversation about where we were in 93. It's about who we are as a nation today, who we are as a state. And the people pushing that legislation are seeking legal imprimatur to discriminate against those they have to serve. That is wrong. And I'm the daughter of not one but two ministers. I'm a person of deep faith. And I know that protecting my faith does not require legalizing discrimination against anyone else. That's the moral issue. But the business issue is this. They've told us they're going to leave. From Disney to MGM, they have said they will.
You believe them?
Not only do I believe them, I talk to them. And that's the reason this is so important. But let's say this. If we make the right choice and elect the only candidate in this race who is willing to protect the film industry, I want that film industry to be across the state of Georgia.